Welcome to today's episode of the Modern Maintenance Podcast. If you're wondering, how can I improve my asset performance and reduce maintenance costs, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most transformative shifts in modern industry, cloud-based enterprise asset management, or EAM. And to help us explore this, we're joined by IoT and maintenance expert Alex. Alex, it's great to have you here.
Thanks for having me, Bruce. Excited to be here.
We've got some great questions lined up, so let's get into it. To start, Alex, let's break it down for our audience. What exactly is a cloud-based EAM solution, and how does it work?
Great question, Bruce. At its core, a cloud-based EAM solution is a software system that helps organizations manage and optimize their physical assets over the entire life cycle, from acquisition to disposal. By utilizing the cloud, these solutions allow teams to access and monitor asset data remotely, improving accessibility and collaboration. The key difference between traditional on-premise EM systems and cloud-based solutions is that cloud EM doesn't require heavy on-site infrastructure. Everything from asset data to maintenance schedules is stored securely online, and teams can access it from anywhere at any time through a simple internet connection.
Sounds incredibly convenient. Now, let's talk about predictive maintenance. How does Cloud EAM enable predictive maintenance, and how does it help prevent those sudden breakdowns?
Absolutely. Predictive maintenance is one of the most powerful features of Cloud EAM. With the use of IoT sensors and real-time data, cloud-based EAM systems can track asset performance, detect potential issues, and forecast when maintenance is needed before a failure even occurs. For example, let's say a motor starts showing early signs of wear. A cloud EAM system can analyze the data from its IoT sensors, things like temperature, vibrations, or energy consumption, and spot patterns that indicate an impending failure. By catching this early, maintenance teams can fix the issue during scheduled downtime, instead of waiting for a costly breakdown to happen.
That's huge. Preventing downtime can save so much money. But how about the real-world cost savings? How can companies actually see these savings in action?
Great question. There are several ways cloud-based EAM solutions help companies cut costs. For starters, predictive maintenance reduces unexpected downtime, which can be expensive, not only in terms of repair costs, but also lost production time. Additionally, Cloud EAM helps optimize asset usage. By ensuring assets are properly maintained and functioning at their best, companies can extend the lifespan of their assets, delaying costly replacements. One example I like to use is from a manufacturing plant that saw a 25% reduction in maintenance costs after implementing a cloud-based EAM system. Not only did they reduce downtime, but the system also helped them schedule preventative maintenance during off-peak hours, minimizing impact on operations.
That's impressive. It seems like it not only helps prevent breakdowns, but also optimizes resources. Now, let's talk about workflow automation. How can a cloud EAM system help automate workflows for maintenance teams?
This is where Cloud EAM really shines. These systems automate many of the time-consuming tasks associated with asset management. For example, when an issue is detected or a maintenance task is scheduled, the system can automatically generate work orders, assign tasks to the right technician, and track progress in real time. It also helps with preventative maintenance, automating the scheduling and tracking of routine inspections or repairs. Automation minimizes human error and ensures nothing gets missed, allowing teams to focus on higher priority tasks.
That's fantastic for boosting efficiency. I can see how this takes a lot of the manual work off the plate of the maintenance teams. So before we wrap up, tell us how Cryotos EAM fits into all of this.
Absolutely. Cryotos EAM is a cloud-based solution designed to provide businesses with full control over their asset lifecycle, from acquisition to disposal. It combines real-time data, predictive analytics, and automated workflows to ensure that your assets are always performing at their best. The system offers a range of features, like asset tracking, predictive maintenance, automated work orders, and detailed reporting, all accessible from anywhere through its cloud platform. EAM helps businesses not only cut maintenance costs, but also improve asset performance and increase operational uptime. It's an end-to-end solution that scales with your business.
That sounds like exactly what companies need to stay ahead of the curve in asset management. Alex, thanks so much for sharing your expertise with us today.
It was my pleasure, Bruce. I hope the listeners found the insights helpful.
I'm sure they did. And to our listeners, if you're looking to take control of your asset lifecycle and reduce maintenance costs, check out Cryotos EAM. Stay tuned for more insights in future episodes. Until next time.